welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can clip your crown topper onto your head. Now, I'm going to show you a horizontal way, a vertical way, and then I'm also going to show you how to attach 2 clips along 2 sides. So instead of 1 clip in the front, we're going to show you how to attach it where 2 clips go on the side. Let's get started. So just FYI, I am wearing my Hidden Crown 16-inch extension to be able to give you an overall complete look when I put the crown topper on all 3 ways. Just because my hair is really short right now, so if I were to show the crown topper by itself, you would really see how short my hair is and how blunt, and it would just take away from the complete look. So the first way that I'm going to show you is actually how the crown topper comes out of the package, out of its box. So they all come with a middle part in line with the top clip in the vertical position. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and just tease my section that it's going to clip onto. Line up that part. Now for me, I tend to not wear my crown toppers in the vertical position because I prefer volume on the sides of my head opposed to in the back area more so. So in this section you can kind of see, I mean, it's not a big difference between the different ways of clipping them on. I just feel that the horizontal version on my head shape works better for me and I like it personally. So this is the vertical. It still looks great, still looks natural, but this is the vertical way of wearing it. Okay guys, so the second option that I'm going to show you is a horizontal way. So what I've done is I have retrained and redirected the parting to be on one of the longer sides of the crown topper. Okay, so I have lined up my parting here and the clip is going to just attach onto that tease that I have there, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach the other clips, just like so. So this horizontal way I feel like gives me a little more volume on the sides opposed to from front to back volume. I really favor this particular way of putting my crown topper on just because of my own head shape. So it's good to test out these 3 different ways so that you can find which way you like it on you. Alright guys, for the third way of how to put your crown topper on options, I have redirected my parting to be in the center of these 2 clips. This would be the vertical way of wearing it, where this would be the top one, and then this would be the side clip. So what I've done is just turned and redirected the hair to be a part in between these 2 clips so that they're going to clip onto the 2 sides, kind of like meeting my temples area. So going to put it on this way, you're going to need to hold these 2 clips kind of taut, like pulling them slightly apart so that this part stays flush to your scalp. So I'm gonna make sure that my part is lined up here, and then I'm gonna just scoop in both clips at once and clip them, just like so. And then the 2 back ones are in the same type of position, so you're going to want to pull both of those at the same time, scoop and clip. Now this way would be great for anyone who needs to hide all of their hair, or if you don't have enough hair in the center front to clip onto, this is another option. And it's another way of being able to get that edge of the crown topper flush to your scalp. Now I want to touch on if you do not have enough hair to wear a crown topper or enough hair to attach the clips to, an option you can have is to remove the clip where you don't have enough hair to attach and use either wig tape or wig glue. That would be the most ideal route to go if you are in need of a crown topper extension. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.